Hi, this is Miss Vizone, and this is synthetic division for pre-calculus. This is taught on 9/9/14. So, synthetic division is division of a polynomial by a binomial using the coefficients only, right? Synthetic division. It's division of a polynomial by a binomial using the coefficients. Okay? There's a pattern that happens when you divide. So we have this fabulous method of doing this. You're going to love it, I promise. All right, so number one, x cubed plus 2x squared minus 6x minus 9, that's a 9, divided by x plus 3. All right, so remember, this is like a super long process when you have long division. Remember the steps. You divide this by that, you put it up top, you multiply, you subtract. It's like this long thing. So we're going to just use the coefficients, right? What's the coefficients of x cubed? It's a 1. Remember, I have a pen, I have one pen. So write down just the coefficients. 1, 2, -6, -9. And then I'm going to write an upside down division symbol. Now make sure you leave some space because we're going to write numbers in here. Okay? Now, when you do division, remember we're subtracting. So there's this neat trick we're going to do. Instead of putting this 3 out, we're going to put this 3 here. But remember, we have to subtract. So we're going to subtract by changing the sign of the 3. Instead of +3, write down -3. So that subtraction is actually worked into the problem by putting that minus there. All right, so first thing we're going to do, bring down that 1. So draw an arrow, bring the 1 down. So remember, we multiply. Put those together. -3 times 1 is -3. Now, that's like our subtraction. Combine together. 2 minus 3 is -1. Right. Bring it together. -3 times 1, -1 is +3. Combine. -6 and 3 is -3. -3 times -3 is 9. Combine together, 0. The 0 is our remainder. Okay? Now remember, when we divide, let's just look at that first term. X cubed divided by x, we get x squared. So the highest power of our answer when we divide is x cubed. So that is going to be what we're going to start with. This has a coefficient of a 1. So the answer is 1x squared, minus 1, and then it works itself down. 2, plain x, and then -3. That's the answer. We're done. You can rewrite that without the 1s because it's a little weird looking. We're finished. That's the answer. Look how fabulous this was compared to long division. So much faster, so much less confusing. All right, let's do number 2. We have 2x cubed plus 11x squared plus 18x plus 9 divided by x plus 3 again. All right, so remember our process. Write down all the coefficients. So we have 2, 11, 18, 9. We're going to draw our upside down division symbol with space. And remember, we're switching the sign of what we're dividing by. We're dividing by -3. Because remember, when you did long division, we have to subtract. We're working in the subtraction by putting this minus there. All right, so bring down that first term. Bring down the 2. Multiply. -3 times 2 is -6. Combine. 11 minus 6 is 5. Repeat. Multiply. -15. Combine. 3. Multiply. -9. Combine. 0. Right? The 0, again, that's your remainder. Right? What's the highest power here? 2x cubed. Divide by the highest power on the outside. 2x squared. We should have 2x squared as our leading as the leading term of our answer. We have a 2. 1 minus 3 is 2, x squared. And then again, work your way down. Plus 5, work your way down. X plus 3, right? 2, 1, nothing. And that's our answer, and we are finished. Again, how fabulous is that? So much better. All right, number 3. Let's see, number 3. We've got x cubed minus 2x squared minus 9x plus 18 divided by x minus 2. Right? Pause the video, try it on your own. Start by writing your coefficients. Remember, there's a 1 when there's nothing there. -2, -9, 18. I draw my upside down division symbol. Now, what number do you think goes on the outside? +2. Switch the sign. It's -2, so make it +2. Switch the sign. All right? -2 equals 2. All right? Bring the first term down. 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 0. 2 times 0 is 0. -9 and 0 is -9. 2 times -9 is -18. 0. Again, this is our remainder. That's our remainder. Now let's write in. This is x cubed divided by x is x squared. So 1x squared